Yay me! Hi everyone, so this is episode 3 of Crafty Solutions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take in a button-up shirt or even any size, any type of shirt. In this video I have featured one of my mom's coworkers, and he came up to her and said, I have some shirts that are really big and can your daughter take them in for me? I was like, yeah, sure. And I was like, might as well do a video on it too. So that's kind of how I started this Crafty Solutions series, is because people will come to me asking me to fix their things, like their clothing items, like broken zippers, hem their pants. So that's how I came up with this series. So if you don't have a friend that can fix your stuff for you, just let me know in the comments if there's anything specific that you want me to do a video on. So let's get started. Start by pinning the excess fabric at the sleeve seams and side seams evenly so your fold lays on the seam. You don't want to pin it too close to the body, just enough so there's still room to move around. My client also wants the hem of the shirt to not be as curved, so I'm pinning it at a more desirable length. This shirt was sewn with the French seam, so I'll be keeping it consistent and doing the same. The way it's pinned, wrong sides together, is the way I'll be sewing it, except you want to sew it a 1/4 inch outside the pins since this is a French seam. Now trim the excess fabric down to about 3/8. Iron the seam so it's nice and pressed. Now you'll be sewing the seam right sides together at a 1/4 inch. If you trim the fabric less than a 1/4, it shouldn't catch in your stitches. So now you'll be sewing where you originally placed your pins, since we sewed on the outside of the pins at the first stitch. You can leave the French seam the way it is, since there's no raw edges, or you can top stitch it. Now I'm folding the hem at the desired length and adding 1/2 inch of seam allowance. The original hem is a 1/4 inch, so I'll be doing the same. Now fold and press a 1/4 inch. Start at the original stitch line so it blends in. And there you have it, a more fitted button-up shirt. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, thumbs up this video, subscribe, and comment what videos you'd like to see or any feedback you may have. So I hope to see you soon with my next video, and thank you for watching.